So this is the main visitor center where you can see you are here, and these are the bus routes, color coded, orange, blue, purple, red, and those are the routes. For example, if you want to go from village, you might have to change one more bus there, and on the interest where you pay $35 parking fee, they give you the map. And if you follow the map, that's very easy. In this side of the map, it does not show, but the little pamphlet, they give you the map, all the bus stop, and if you have to change to a different bus. For example, this one is a pink stop, and there's another bus is coming, village, blue route. But you have, if you take a bus from the main, you have to change the bus to the village shuttle. Sorry, I'm sorry, bus, right? And that's an orange route. Parking back there. So there's another map. Not a map, some temperature and those things. Sorry. Those shuttles are free, right? Isn't it? Yeah. So the shuttles are free. Yeah. So you can park your car. And just take the shuttle and enjoy. That building on to my right is our restroom. That's the main visitor center where everyone is going. And if you go to my right, there were the scenic place or different places, right? There's more parking to the left. That's where I came from. You can see the time. Canyon Rim, and there's a bookstore that side. So I'm just gonna go and see what's there, and I will be back right here. Turn, big circle. Give you a better idea. We wanted to take a shuttle, but then everybody said let's go by car, it's much faster. Bike rental and cafe. You can just check the prices online. Canyon Rim where we were, and I was showing you different places. So same sign again. Visitor center closed. I think they close at 5, but the park store hour 8 to 7, and the Grand Canyon Resort will be soft training and I don't know what is that, out of order. So let me go back there. Welcome to Grand Canyon Visitor Center. Closed. A lot of information here. Alright, so I'm going to stop this video. Gonna get into the car and go into the village side.
We're about to take a loop on the village loop. It's a wrap around. It's going to take you back the other way.
One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky.
sunset. This nice view back there, you know, down, and which is
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
That's moon. That's not sun, by the way.